Every story has an end, and so does the story of our universe. But many do not believe in the complete annihilation of the world and instead believe in eternity. The fate of the universe is discussed in religion, philosophies, and later science gave it a new dimension. There is not one single theory of how the universe would end, just like there is no single theory for its beginning. A 1998 research by Saul Perlmutter and his team showed that the universe is not only expanding, but expanding with acceleration. Now, what does this mean? Will the universe keep on expanding like this, or will it ever stop and contract back? There are many speculations, theories, and mathematical predictions. Let us learn some of those proposed theories about the probable fate of our universe. My name is Siddharth, and you are watching The World of Science. Big Crunch Theory. Depending upon the total energy density, the universe can attain various shapes, and the end state of the universe depends upon that particular shape. The current studies with the help of NASA's WMAP shows that the universe is flat. What this means is that the total energy density of the universe is equal to the critical energy density. Critical energy density is a parameter to define the total energy present in the universe that will be enough to halt the expansion and start the contraction phase. Currently, our universe is expanding, but as the total energy reaches the critical value, the expansion will stop and a contraction phase will start, and the universe will keep on collapsing till it becomes a singularity again. Universe started with a bang, and it will end with a crunch. Before the 1990s, this theory was the most discussed and sought on, but research of 1998 showed a completely different picture. Big Rip Theory. If the universe is accelerating like Saul and his team showed, then this will result in a probable fate of the universe popularly known as Big Rip. As time flows, galaxies will keep on going away from each other at an increasing rate. As the value of Hubble constant gets bigger and bigger, the space between stars within the galaxy will begin to increase too. The expansion will continue to speed up such that there will be expansion even at the atomic levels. There won't be enough attraction force between atoms to bond and gases to collapse to further form stars. The negative pressure energy or the dark energy will be enough to cancel all the attractive force and will completely rip the universe apart. At the final stage, even the subatomic particles will be disintegrated and the universe will be left with nothing but vast emptiness. Big Freeze Theory. This model is similar to that of Big Rip, but it considers the thermodynamic aspect of the future universe. As we know from the second law of thermodynamics, the total entropy of the universe will always keep on increasing. Thus, the universe in its extreme expansion stage will reach a state of maximum entropy. The entropy-temperature relationship shows that entropy is inversely proportional to the temperature. Thus, as the universe will achieve maximum entropy, the temperature of the universe will reach a minimum state. Stars would have completely consumed its fuel. Even the red dwarfs that exist for trillions of years with their slow consumption of hydrogen will slowly be out of fuel. Stars would settle down into white dwarfs or neutron stars. Later, with supernova and hypernova explosions, neutron stars will be left of only massive cores that will further form black holes. Entire universe will consist only of black holes, and even they will disintegrate through Hawking's radiation. Towards the end of the universe, it will achieve a thermodynamic equilibrium such that there won't be enough energy to start any work in the universe, and the universe will be impotent as dead. Big Bounce Theory. Quantum gravity theories try to resolve the problem of singularity either at the inside of black holes or at the point of Big Bang. The concept of singularity, from which the universe was born and where it would die, has been challenged and discarded by many physicists, including Einstein himself. Indian physicists generally consider the problem of singularity as an effect of the problem of infinity in formal mathematics. Loop quantum gravity and string theory provides alternative explanations to this problem. Loop quantum gravity divides the continuous space-time into discrete chunks of space like a quantum of space itself. This space quantum is the smallest unit of space represented by the Planck area. So the problem of infinity is solved at the smallest point, as the smallest possible space quanta will still have a finite value. If the universe starts contracting under its critical energy, then all of the energy must be contained in this minimum possible space, and the extra energy will be rejected back, thereby starting a new evolution that will look like another Big Bang. Big Bounce model is the cyclic model of the universe. Think of the Big Bang as not an initial point, but as one of the initial points in the cyclic cosmology of multiple Big Bangs and Big Crunches. Nobel laureate Roger Penrose proposed his model of conformal cyclic cosmology, which briefly says that the universe recurs along many cycles, and each cycle of the universe is called an aeon. We can also testify to this prediction. Heat signatures of Hawking's radiation from the previous universe must have left some irregularities in the structure of cosmic microwave background. So what do you think? Is the universe eternal and goes on and off in cycles, or was it created some finite time ago in the past? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Check out our new Hindi channel from the description below. Do follow us on Instagram for daily quality content that'll make you fall in love with science. Comment down the topics that you want us to cover in our next videos. Make sure you subscribe to the World of Science. Until next time, stay scientific.